What's up, boys? We're on the one and only RIDSTAR. I know it's been a hot minute. This thing has kind of turned into a sitting bike, but today we're going to be doing some much needed upgrades, kind of tuning this thing up because it really needs it. Make sure you watch the entire video to see everything that I put on this thing and do to it. But right now we got some business to get to. We're on a mission to swap out these pedals with some good looking pegs and also take off the secondary battery I have on this thing. If you're a follower of the channel, you know I have the second battery, but I'm going to be straight up with you guys. The second battery looks absolutely terrible, so we're going to be taking that thing off along with a lot more. Holy smokes of snow. Before we get in today's video, I'm going to ask you guys to please like this video. I'm not going to beg you to subscribe, but if you're not subscribing, you're missing out, to be honest with you. But I mean, I'm literally out here in the snow, guys. It's freezing cold. Please like this video, and let's get right into it. But anyway, like I said, we're going to be taking the pedals off and swapping them out for pegs, along with taking the battery off. But I cannot put on these new pegs without the help of Skidsy. Make sure you go check them out, link in the description. But we're heading over to his house right now, and let's get to work on this thing. Oh, make sure you guys subscribe. I'm literally going over Mount Everest to do this. While Logan does his magic with taking those pedals off, I'm going to try my best to undo these straps which are holding on the secondary battery. You wonder why I kept those covers on there. But anyway, then we'll tighten on the new pegs, and then we should be good to go. And just like that, we got these pegs on. I feel like a mechanic now. No, I'm just kidding. I could not be able to do this without the help of Logan. Go check him out, Skidsy on YouTube. Yeah, these things feel so nice and so much better than going over bumps and everything clanking around because of the pedals and chain. But yeah, we got the secondary battery off, already clearing things up. We're gonna get those wires up in there. And then next, we're gonna put on some street tires, take the turn signals off, clean it up. So let's get right to it. Alright, so the next step is going to be to take off the wheels so we can change out the tires. Then we're also going to take off the rear turn signals and a few other things. And then hopefully in the end, we'll only have the frame so we can clean it up real nicely. But anyway, we're taking the tires off here. You can see how dirty the bike is right now. Now we're sliding off the front wheel and taking the air out so we can take the inner tube and the tire off the rim. Now we're taking the side panels off once again. We're going to be tightening up a bunch of wires underneath there. And I'm going to be taking off the rear turn signals because, to be honest, they look pretty bad. And I'm feeling a little bit lazy, and I'm just going to snip the connection where the switch is on the handlebars because I don't want to have to redo all that. Very simple though. And then I'm taking off the little plastic that also comes with the rear light. I think it looks bad, and I just snipped it with a pair of scissors. And after all of that, it starts feeling better than it ever has before. And I have to say, now that I have it modded out like this, I'm definitely going to be riding it a lot more, hopefully making some more content. And not only does it feel better, it looks 10 times better. Just take a look at this thing. I'm never going to stop saying this, but red on black has to be the best color scheme out there, especially on a bike like this. Black frame, red accents, even the other way I've seen some other bikes. Gosh. It looks so good, guys. These street tires make a huge difference. I took off the Heb Allscapes, and they feel a lot better too, to be honest, and a lot quieter. And really what the bike also needed was a big wash, which we did with the frame off, so we were able to get every little spot all cleaned up. We repainted this mud guard under here, starting to get a lot of rocks, and so there's a bunch of chips. And overall, just cleaned everything up. Didn't need to repaint these. These are pretty simple. And I cannot tell you how many comments I get every video asking for me to go over mods. Like just one dedicated video to talk over about all my mods. But I'm going to go over everything really quick so I can just have a new video to send those people to. And hopefully I don't get as much as those comments. But anyway, we got the Pro Taper grips, Pro Taper handlebars, painted these red, new suspension, go check out my mods list in the bio of the YouTube channel. Front number plate, sticker on the battery, mud guard. These are also the mini front decal stickers on here. Painted this, new pegs on the back, street tires, new front stem, and we lowered them a little bit so the bike looks so much better, especially from the front. But yeah, really quick, that's all. If you want to see the parts for all these, you can go to the link in my bio, and there will be a mod list for all the mods on this RIDSTAR. Oh, I also forgot to mention the gut seat cover. They have that in size meant for the RIDSTAR. It's just called RIDSTAR Q20. All right, but I know a lot of you guys are wanting more videos on the RIDSTAR Q20, and I'm not gonna lie, I want to make some too. But I did not pick a good day to come ride this thing. As you can see, I only have 1 bar left. I'm already blinking dead. Not a good time, but I really just wanted to get this video out, go over all the new mods, and this thing definitely changed a lot for the looks. I'm gonna run an edit at the end of this video with some cool shots of this thing. So if you want more videos on the RIDSTAR, leave some suggestions down in the comments for what you want to do, what kind of videos you want, and that can be anything. Just leave any ideas you have. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go try to make it home on 1 battery left. Say hi to my friend up here real quick. But besides that, thank you for watching. Go check all the links, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's go. Peace.
I've been rolling on this road for a long time. I've been out here getting on my own for a long time. How you supposed to get it in this world if you don't try? If you want to greatness, it's gonna take you a long time. Overnight, don't happen overnight. If we mean success